It's more than this, but we actually threw some away because it was just too much. Let's go. Oh my god. What's up, Nation? Super Nosa. What's good? It's a new day. Yes, it is. Let's go, guys. Look at this. Why you pause your what you're watching? Which copyright? There's no need. Guys, look at these. In every African home, you have this Indomie sauce. It's more than this, but we actually like. Okay, you're gonna start filming me or what? It's more than this, but we actually threw some away because it was just too much. Let's go. Oh my god. Guys, don't mind what's in this cupboard. Like, a lot of things have been here for like years. I haven't touched. Like, I don't even know what's inside here. Yes, I haven't touched. But let's go. I just want to show you guys that if you come to an African home, open your kitchen cupboard, you're gonna see this. Don't let me even open this one. Like, you see different type of sauce, different type of ingredients. Oh my god, let's go. So I'm just here with my brother chilling. So after that, I'm gonna go upstairs and do the push-up challenge. Let's go. I think my last video got like 19 views or something, so I'm gonna do 90 push-ups. Why don't I just make it 20? So I'm gonna do 20 push-ups when I'm upstairs. Let's go. Yeah, enjoy. And that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys definitely tomorrow. Peace.